Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix eBay payment error. So first things first, you have to log in to your eBay. Now step 1, you need to check your payment method. You need to go to eBay, account settings, payment information, and make sure your credit or debit card or PayPal account is correctly linked and not expired. Step 2, you need to clear browser cache or try another browser. Clear your cache and cookies. Try using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, or use the eBay mobile application. Step 3, confirm your billing address. Make sure the billing address or address on your card matches the one you entered on eBay. Now, step 5, try a different payment method. You can switch to another payment method like PayPal card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Next is check for eBay server status or issues. You can visit the eBay status down the texture. eBay may be experiencing temporary issues, and all you have to do with this time is to just wait. Now the last step is contact eBay support. You can go to help and contact section in eBay. Use the chat, email, or call options to reach customer service. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.